Snoring isn't just noise. It could be your body's silent cry for help. Behind every loud breath at night, there might be a dangerous pause, a drop in oxygen, a risk to your heart. In our full video, we uncover the hidden dangers of snoring, how it's linked to sleep apnea, and what you can do to protect yourself. Real science, real solutions. If you, or someone you love, snores, this might be the most important video you watch this week. Tap in now and take control of your sleep health. Snoring isn't just noise.